Okay, we're going to spend some time talking about volume today. So in the past, we've talked about perimeter and area, and volume is building on those two concepts. So perimeter is a one-dimensional measure, then we stepped up to area, which is a two-dimensional measure, and now we're on volume, which is a three-dimensional measure. And when we talk about volume, we're trying to figure out how much it takes to fill a particular shape. And we're going to focus on rectangular prisms, so 3D shapes that have a rectangle shape at their base. Okay? So when I'm trying to figure out how much I need to fill a container, I need to take into consideration all three measurements that I can take from that shape: the length, the width, and the height. And you're going to notice on this particular prism I've already gone ahead and labeled those for us, the length, the width, and the height. And if I want to figure out how much I need to fill the shape, all I do is take those three numbers and multiply them together. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 6 is 120. Now you'll remember when we do perimeter, we just leave the unit as is. When it's area, it's a two-dimensional measurement, so we put squared, that little 2 in the corner. This is a three-dimensional measure, so following that pattern, we put a small 3 in the corner, meaning cubed. Okay, so I could fit 120 centimeter cubes inside of this particular shape. Okay. Another way people tend to think about it that kind of builds off that area concept is to take the base of the shape, or the area of it, right, length times width, and multiply it by the height. So the base of this shape, if they give you the base, you would take 20 times the height they give you, which would be 4. And then again, you just multiply those together to get your volume. And then make sure your unit is cubed. Okay, so that means I could fit 80 cubic feet inside of this particular shape. So when you're solving for volume, just take the three numbers that they give you, length, width, and height, and multiply them together. Don't worry too much if you're unsure which is which, because you're multiplying, it doesn't matter the order that the numbers are in. Okay, we've talked about that in the past. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 times 1 is 21, add a 0. And then whatever your unit is, cubed. Okay? If you have any questions, make sure you let me know as we try this new concept.